AI models are crushing it. $10,000 a month. Some folks are pulling in that kind of cash with AI Instagram models. Digital faces, digital personalities, real money. It sounds like science fiction, but it's happening now. My own AI project? Banking serious figures. This isn't just a trend, it's a gold rush. The barrier to entry is low. You need a good idea, hustle, and understanding of the game. AI is a game changer. Think bigger than just pretty pictures. What are AI influencers? Digital characters that look, act, and engage like real people created using AI? They exist only in the digital space, posting photos, sharing stories, and collaborating with brands. Why are they gaining traction? Control. AI models are available 24/7, don't age unless you want them to, and offer a controlled environment for campaigns. Brands love the novelty and consistency. Audiences are intrigued, forming connections and building loyalty. This isn't niche, it's going mainstream fast. The old influencer model is being challenged. AI offers scalability, global reach, and tailored personas. Adapt, learn, and seize the opportunity. Meet Aitana Lopez, an AI model created by the Clueless, earning up to €10,000 a month. She's got pink hair, into gaming, and has hundreds of thousands of followers. This isn't a fluke, it's a blueprint for success. Aitana's secret? A well-defined persona, consistency, and engagement. Her agency capitalizes on brand deals promoting products like fashion and tech. Virtual appearances and image use add to her income. Aitana's success teaches us the importance of a strong persona, visual consistency, authentic engagement, and diverse monetization strategies. Treat your AI creation like a business. Creating an AI model isn't just about visuals. The persona is the soul of your creation. A pretty face gets a glance. A personality gets loyalty. Define core traits. Give her a name, backstory, and values. Create a character Bible as your guide. Align every post with this persona. Know your target audience and make your AI model relatable. Give her human-like qualities, flaws, and dreams. Show her journey. People connect with authenticity, even if it's crafted. That's the power of AI influencers. You've got the persona, now bring her to life visually with AI image generation tools like Midjourney and DALL-E. These platforms create stunning images from text prompts. Learn the art of prompting, your new creative wand. Consistency is key. Use seed images or consistent prompts. It takes practice and experimentation. Curate her visual identity with care. Think like a magazine editor. Quality over quantity. Consider short video clips and animations. AI tools for video generation are emerging. Start simple, but think ahead. The future is multi-format. You've got your AI model, now build her tribe. Develop a smart content strategy aligned with her persona. Plan and be consistent. Captions bring her voice alive. Engage with followers, ask questions, respond to comments, and make them feel involved. Consistency in posting is crucial. Use all of Instagram's features, posts, stories, reels. Stay active and relevant. This builds momentum and turns pixels into a powerhouse. Monetize your AI creation with multiple revenue streams. Brand collaborations, sponsored posts, and product placements are key. Start with smaller brands, build a portfolio, and show results. As your AI model grows, so do your rates. Think beyond sponsored posts, sell digital products, use affiliate marketing, and explore subscription models. Offer exclusive content to superfans. The future is bright for AI model monetization. Be bold. Does this really work? Yes. My AI influencer project started as an experiment. Slow growth at first, but then things clicked. Followers grew, engagement soared, and brands noticed. Month 1 to 3, 10,000 followers. Month 4 to 6, 50,000 followers, first brand deals. Month 7 to 9, 150,000 followers, bigger deals, digital products. Month 10 to 12, 300,000 followers, consistent income. Success is a mix of brand collaborations, digital products, and affiliate marketing. It's achievable with a clear strategy, creativity, and persistence. The AI influencer market is booming. $10,000 a month is a target people are hitting. The time to wonder is over. What are you going to do? Fear is the biggest killer of dreams. The tools are accessible, creativity is a muscle, and failure is a lesson. Educate yourself, join communities, and study successful AI influencers. Start small, experiment, and improve. This is your call to action. The digital landscape is wide open. Build something unique and powerful. Stop dreaming, start building. The future is yours to shape. Go out there and crush it.